is supposed to be the most snow ever.
Snowmageddon.
Either that or the
Snowpocalypse. Snowgasm.
Oh, there's so much snow.
It's so cool outside.
Can you guys sum up the snow of 2010 in a couple words?
Epic.
a blizzard.
Probably snow.
La nieve es tan bonita.
Oh my gosh, I love the snow.
I think it's awesome.
Yeah.
Snowboard on campus.
There's a blizzard outside. There's so much snow.
So much snow.
University of Maryland College Park is closed today.
Amazing. Amazing. Wonderful.
We should have.
Lots of snow to play in.
It's gonna be awesome.
And it's gonna be awesome.
Woo, we're going in the snow.
Look, the screen is covered. It's like, look, snowflake.
No needs no school birthday.
I'm taking a round.
How do you feel about the snow?
Yeah, look.
Yeah? This is us.
There's another wave coming across the country. Come from all the way up from California.
Blizzard!
Blizzard! Everything is snow themed. It's the snow weekend. Woo! Who thinks we're not gonna have school on Monday?
4-day weekend. It's been snowing non-stop.
How much do you think there is?
Probably a foot and a half.
2 feet, I think.
What do you think?
I'll say 2. 2 feet.
2 feet.
Or 2 inches. What are the others?
30 inches.
I don't know, like 2 feet. I think there's a million inches of snow right now. 2 feet or so?
School on Monday.
I don't know, like a foot and a half.
It snowed like 30 inches, didn't it?
2 feet? It's an epic blizzard, that's what it is.
He is going to jump into the snow. Ah! Snow angel!
Oh my gosh. John is walking across the fountain! How will they get through all this snow? Craziness.
Living off of like very limited amounts of food.
Alyssa already ate a box of Papa.
Things that they can juice. 3 bagels, a slice of pizza, some soup, some ramen noodles, Oreos, pretzel.
We're eating a lot of food. Like donuts.
What if we run out of food?
Snow's just not very healthy for us.
Don't let me have it more.
Because we think we're like locked in and we like have to like preserve our whatever fat reserves. Yeah. Alyssa McKenney is really tall. This snow is even taller.
We had a snowball fight and made a snowman at like midnight.
And everyone had a really great snow weekend. Woo. How do you feel?
Super!
It's snowing again. I love the snow.
Can you slide down that, please?
This is the Snowpocalypse.
It's blizzard.
It's a blizzard.
Pretty soon it should be freezing over, so we're very excited.